Hello, and welcome to another wonderful Wired Wednesday. My name is Ashley, and this is Checking Device Storage.
Okay, so on an Android device, you're going to want to go into your settings. So the settings just looks like a gear. It might look a little bit different depending on what your phone is, but if it's Android, it should be pretty similar. Now, you can choose either go down and look through to find what you're looking for, or you can search settings. I enjoy searching settings because I think I can find things a little bit faster than going through all the different settings that you have. Just click here, and then type in storage. So you see here, storage is right here. And you can see that this is the storage that I have on my actual device, so my physical storage. So you can see here that I'm using 71 gigabytes of 128 gigabyte total. And then what you do when you go down further, it actually shows you here what is using your storage. And then also what Google does too, I have Google phone, it'll actually give me some advice to free up some storage. But keep in mind that images and videos are the things that take up the most space typically. I don't really have those on my phone because I'm backing them up to a cloud, but you can see here that these are what's on your physical device. So I'm on a Windows 11 laptop. If you have a Windows 10 laptop, it'll work similarly to this. Instead of going to the search bar that is on your taskbar, you'll actually hit your start button and then search from there. Okay, so I'm going to go down here to search, and I'm going to type in storage. And storage settings will come up. Click that. So now you can see that we are in the system storage area. So you can see here that I have 455 gigs of space on this computer. So on this physical device, I have 455 gigabyte hard drive. Right now, you can see that I'm using 326 gigabytes of that 455 gigabytes. And you can see here that I have 129 gigabytes free. You can see here below, it shows you what you're using. So these are your apps and features that you have. So you can click on them and you can see what apps are using the space. If you'd like to delete an app or uninstall an app, if you hit the three dots next to it, you can definitely do that. You just hit three dots and then uninstall. Just make sure this isn't something that's running your computer. That's just an app that you maybe downloaded at some point in time. Your temporary files are here. So these here can always be deleted. And then this is what's on your desktop, and then your other files here as well. So you can see here, this is what you're using. So out of the 326 gigabytes used, so what I have used here, it's showing you there's 183 gigabytes of the 326 I've used. Here it's saying I've used 62.5 gigabytes of the 326 that's used. So it's just telling you how it's adding it up. You can go down here and there's more storage options for you. So there's storage sense, so you can automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. So once again, you can have it so it just automatically deletes the temporary files and things like that as well. They have clean up recommendations. So just saying if you need some storage, there's a way to do that as well. Then you can just go into the advanced settings. But this is how you check your system storage on a Windows device. Okay, so I'm on an iPad and I'm going to show you how to get to your device storage on an iPad. It should work pretty similarly on an iPhone as well. So you're going to go into your settings, which is the gear here that you see. And then you're going to go to General. And then under General, you'll see iPad storage. And on an iPhone, it should say iPhone storage. So this is the storage that's on the physical iPad itself. It's not the cloud storage, it's the actual physical hard drive on the iPad. So as you can see here, it will show you exactly what is on the iPad. So you can see here what you have for apps. So you have the red is apps, the yellow is the iPad operating system, which is something you can't delete. You need that. Your mail, and then system data. So you can see here, you can go through and you can click, you can see here, you can go through and take a look. And then you can go to offload unused apps if you want to have Apple offload those unused apps. So you basically just uninstall them when you're not using them. And then these are the apps here that are taking up your storage space. So if we go back up to the top, you can see here that right now I'm using 21.5 gigabytes of 32 gigabytes. And that's how to check for storage on your device. Have a great day.